Meet Emily, a 29-year-old living in Florida. She finally saved $10,000 after working extra shifts, cutting unnecessary expenses, and staying disciplined month after month. But now, she faced one big question. Should she keep the money in a high-yield savings account or invest it? One friend said, put it in a savings account. Your money will stay safe and you'll earn interest. Another friend said, if you never invest, you'll never build real wealth. Emily was confused. Then she heard something from a financial advisor. Before you decide, ask yourself one simple question. When will you actually need this money? If there's a chance you'll need it within the next few months or even the next year for an emergency, for a medical bill, a broken down car, or losing your job, a high yield savings account is usually the smarter choice. Your money stays relatively safe. It earns interest and you can access it quickly when life throws you a surprise. But if you won't need that money for 5, 10, or even 20 years, everything changes. Emily kept her emergency fund in a high yield savings account. Then she started investing with the rest. She knew the market would go up and down. But history shows that patient, long-term investing has often built far more wealth than simply leaving money in savings alone. 1 year later, Emily realized something important. The real question was never savings account or investing. The real question was, what job should each dollar do? Emergency money belongs in a high-yield savings account. Money meant to build your future belong in investments. A lot of people think they have to choose one or the other, but people who build wealth over the long run use both. They protect today's security while building tomorrow's wealth. So, before you make your next financial decision, ask yourself just one question. When will I truly need this money? That one question could completely change your financial future.